Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's a truth few people admit. Most bad money decisions are made under pressure. Pressure forces shortcuts. Pressure triggers emotion. Pressure destroys discipline. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the financial pressure threshold. This explains why wealth survives only below certain stress levels. Medium White Star Section 1. What is financial pressure? Financial pressure is income instability, high obligations, fear-driven decisions, emotional urgency, unmanaged pressure leaks money. Medium White Star Section 2. WHY. Most people live above their pressure threshold. Most people. Crossmark overcommit financially. Crossmark borrow emotionally. Crossmark upgrade lifestyle. Too fast. Crossmark chase fast money. Crossmark ignore stress signals. Pressure overrides intelligence. Medium White Star Section 3. The Financial Pressure Threshold Model. The financial pressure threshold has 4 pressure zones. Zone 1. Safe pressure, manageable bills, predictable income, calm decisions, wealth grows here. Zone 2. Caution pressure, mild stress, tight margins, reduced flexibility, control is required. Large red circle. Zone 3. Danger pressure, constant stress, reactive spending, decision fatigue, wealth leaks fast. Medium black circle. Zone 4. Collapse pressure, panic decisions, debt spirals, desperation, moves, recovery is difficult. Medium White Star Section 4. How to lower financial pressure. Keycap 1. Reduce fixed obligations. Keycap 2. Build emergency buffers. Keycap 3. Slow lifestyle expansion. Keycap 4. Increase margin, not income only. Keycap 5. Track pressure monthly. Lower pressure equals higher clarity. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs you're below your pressure threshold. White have a checkmark. Calm thinking. White have a checkmark. Stable habits. White have a checkmark. Better decisions. White have a checkmark. Sustainable growth. White have a checkmark. Confidence in waiting. Bullseye. Conclusion. Money doesn't fail thirst. Fire pressure does. Stay below the financial pressure threshold and wealth will survive storms.